Yo guys, so today we're going to do something really stupid. I'm going to spray paint a gun. Let's get to it. So due to all this boredom with this coronavirus crap, I decided to get myself some sticky printable paper stuff and some spray paint, and we're going to go a little bit nuts on a gun. Do I think it's going to look good? Probably not. Do I care? Not really. But should be a laugh. So we're going to be spray painting this thing, the SLR, the one that I had a couple of the issues with. I just thought, it's new, let's give it a spray job. I'm not going to bore you with going through all of the random shit. I'm going to just try and speed my way through it, so hopefully it'll just kind of look like a rather entertaining video. Okay, so something I forgot to mention is the fact that I'm going to have to cut all of these out. So I'm just going to sit here for a bit and do this. I'm not going to put you through all of that. It's going to take me some time, but hey ho, let's get on with it. Cool, right, there's all my stencils done. Now I just gotta stick them all to the gun. Yeah, let's do that. Right, there you go. Boredom complete. Tell me what you think. Comment in the comments. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.